There are a lot of things to do when winterizing your car.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I'm going to show you today one of the radios that Jeff loaned me for doing reviews on my show. This is an AM handheld portable radio. Dates back into, I have a note here that says, I don't know, I don't know. But probably about the 1950s, 1960s. And it's the Nobility 10 transistor. Now, back then, when they first came out with these little portable radios, the more transistors it could say it had in the circuitry, the better the quality. That's what the theory was. And this radio is one of the first radios, handheld radios, that had a super heterodyne receiver, sometimes called a super het. And it's a type of receiver that uses frequencies mixing to convert the received signal to a fixed intermediate frequency, which can more conveniently process the original carrier frequency, and therefore better tuning, more sensitive. And this is one of the first ones that had that. And when you look on the internet, these are collector items. This is definitely a collector item. And this one from Jeff is in pristine condition. Now, I thought, and let me get the camera up here so I can see where it's pointing. I thought it was broken right here, but no, that's the way it's made. It's not broken off. That's the way it's molded so that you can get to the volume. This is the volume on-off switch. And then over here is the tuning. This radio is AM only. Like I say, it's perfect. There's no scratches, anything on the front, on the silver part right here. And down in here is where you read the frequency. And again, this is an AM radio. It sounds really good. I can't play any music. I don't dare play any music. The radio is capable of music. And that's why I tuned to a talk radio station, which is what you heard. And I'll play a little more of it.
On the 17th in his arm, and that's not who he was, Jim.
Now, it's a little distorted, and that's because of all the RF noise in my office. Cheaper radios that aren't super heterodynes, you wouldn't be able to listen to it at all. All you'd hear is scrambling noise. But this one, once you get it tuned right in, comes through pretty clear. I don't have it tuned in yet. I just quickly turned it on and found a station and left it there. So that's it. I wanted to show you this radio. Let me see if I got any other notes. No. And I believe, and Jeff will correct me, I believe he got this from a website called Radio Attic, which sells these people get on there and sell their antique radios. And there's more information about this radio on that website. So you might want to check that out, Radio Attic website. Okay, that's it. Thanks again for Jeff for loaning me these radios. I think I have about 3 more left to review of the ones he gave me this time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.